Hey Tisha, Shaelee here with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. In looking through your website, these call to actions are super good to have. Those help with your conversion, so I would recommend some more scattered throughout. And the second thing would be to add some more content. So you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. They have crawlers that are crawling 24/7. And embedded in that content, you want what's called keywords. So this is an example of a keyword. And so when people search this, the first thing that's popping up are some ads. But if we scroll past that, this is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so you want to make sure that you're ranking here. And the way to do that is to have a Google business profile that has more citations than these businesses here. And you want a good amount of reviews and photos as well. And a lot of people don't click past this here, so you want to be in the top 3. And if we scroll down, this is the organic listing, and this is where your website ranks. So the other 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. And 90% of people stay on this first page, and the majority stay in the top 3 spots. And so let's take a look at this #1 ranking website. So they have some good call to actions as well. Looks like it'd be pretty easy to beat them with the content. So you would want to beat them with you'd want to have more content on your homepage. But I'm going to compare the back end of both websites. So I have them plugged in here to Ahrefs, and this is some ratings, and they're taking information from Google, the Google data. And so UR and DR, this is the authority and trustworthiness of a site. They have 18 and 3.8. And so those ratings come from 719 backlinks. And those backlinks are coming from these 240 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another. So it's kind of like a shout out. And you want to make sure that you have good quality backlinks because not all backlinks are created equal. So if you have spammy backlinks, it will harm these numbers here. And if you have good quality ones, it'll benefit this and boost these numbers. And so they have 1.8 thousand organic keywords on their homepage. And so let's compare your numbers to theirs. You have 25 and 6 coming from 360 backlinks from 88 referring domains and 672 organic keywords. So what I'd recommend is making sure that you have more high quality backlinks here. And then we need to boost both these numbers, but definitely boost this one up. And then making sure that you have good organic keywords that are buyer intent. And so one way to get more backlinks would be to go into their backlinks here. It's called the copycat method. And so you would find the good quality backlinks that they have, and then you would link that to yours. And so that way, if it's working for them, it would work for you as well. But let's take a look at some of their keywords. Let's find some buyer intent. 150 people are searching for this a month. 100, 90, 90, 150, 90, 100, 100. And so this list just keeps going. So there are hundreds and hundreds of people searching for the services that you provide in the service areas that you go to. And so I'd recommend adding that content, making sure to add some good quality backlinks to your website, and then having some good buyer intent keywords on your website. That way your website is ranking, and it's ranking for the keywords that you want to be connected to the customers who are searching for those, as well as making sure your Google business profile has more citations so that it's ranking. So the more people that are looking at your site, the more eyes on your site, the more people will be converting to your customers. And so if you ever need any help with any of this, I'd be more than happy to help, and I thank you for taking the time to watch this.